My two brothers and I hiked the Barker Dam Trail at Joshua Tree National Park. We walked through an awesome trail, past what used to be a dam, and walked through the desert where we saw jumbo rocks and Joshua trees of all sizes. Our trail led us to some ancient petroglyphs. I was wondering why these petroglyphs were so vibrant and colorful compared to the ones I've seen in the past. Turns out, they were painted over by a Disney crew for the 1961 film Chico the Misunderstood Coyote. Over the years, these petroglyphs have been vandalized. We saw a sign that read, "Native Americans migrating through here in their continuous search for food and water left behind evidence of their activities." Petroglyphs have been found carved into canyon walls and boulders, generally near food or water sites. Pictographs, painted in red, black, and white, are found on ceilings and walls of rock shelters. Mortars and grinding sticks, where seeds were crushed or ground, are also found among the rocks. Nearby, you will see petroglyphs, which have been traced over with paint. This type of vandalism prevents others from seeing the petroglyphs in their original form. Please help us by reporting any vandalism you observe. So yeah, if you want to see some vibrant petroglyphs, check them out at the Joshua Tree National Park along the Barker Dam Trail.